Welcome back in Maranello. Are you guys ready for a lot more Ferrari Luce? Just kidding. Here we have a red Purosangue. But now, before the usual roundabout action, why don't we go for a quick car spotting tour courtesy of the sponsor of today's video, the G300H Plus. It's red, Italian, and it's not a Ferrari, Giulia Quadrifoglio. Hey, rental Portofino, rental 488 Spider, oh, and the grey Roma, Rosso Corsa Roma chassis, rental 296 GTS with the fake Assetto Fiorano livery. You already know this one, Verde Mantis Huracan Performante. Wait a minute, is that a rental Roma Spider? Well, yes, of course, rental California. Hey, another Roma. Oh yes, 296 Speciale. Oh, I'm now feeling a bit under pressure, guys. Here, let's see. There it is, and with that we are back to the Roundabout 849 Testarossa in full black. Haha, time for a prototype! Or maybe a test mule? Interesting 296. Oh, let's go! 296 Speciale! Yes, sir! Take a good listen to the exhaust note of the hybrid V6. Quick startup. Wow, yellow 12 cilindri for the combo. Okay, this seems like a very beautiful green Purosangue. And wait for the 12 cilindri! That is not a normal one! What the hell is going on here? That is kinda interesting. Guys, we finally have the first F80 for the day! Wow, that was a stunning orange spec! Another weird Purosangue with the red front bumper. Very well. Now talking about prototypes. What the hell is that Purosangue? That is very quick if you ask me. Okay, bear with me, nothing too crazy here, but very unexpected F8. Like, what is that doing here? I mean, they've been out of production line for quite a while. Huh. Let's go, guys! Another F80! Okay, that was a more normal spec than the orange one, but still an incredible hypercar. Wow, that is beautiful! OG 550! Oh shit, somebody crashed! No way! Oh, come on! And that honestly brings me back all the way to the sponsor of today's video, the Botslab G300H Plus. You already know how dangerous everyday driving can be, whether it's for distracted drivers, animals, or simply bad luck. You always need some backup footage of what's going on around you and your vehicle. That's where the G300H Plus comes into play. It records both the front and the rear of your car at the same time. The image quality is honestly really good. The front camera records in crisp 4K, while the rear cam captures full HD footage, and thanks to the Sony Starvis 2 sensor, everything looks really sharp, especially at night, making it much easier to read license plates and pick up important details even in low light conditions. Coverage is great, as you've got 170 degrees field of view up front and 150 degrees at the back, so that you're seeing a lot more than what's directly in front of your bumper, without that weird fisheye distortion some other dashcams have. Don't forget the built-in screen either. It's got a nice 3-inch display to quickly review footage or change settings, and it also supports voice commands, so you can say things like "take photo" without taking your hands off the wheel, pretty handy while you're driving. Nowadays the built-in GPS is a must, so that every recording includes your speed and location. If you ever need the footage for insurance or just want to check where something happened, well, all the information is already there. And with this super fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, you can connect your phone, download clips or change settings straight from the app, just in a matter of seconds. Pretty neat, huh? Parking mode? Well, absolutely yes. With the optional hardwire kit, the camera keeps watching your car even when you're away. It supports time-lapse recording and automatically switches to normal recording if it detects an impact or vibration, so that if someone bumps your car in a parking lot, well, at least you've got the footage waiting for you. Installation is super easy. You get everything you need inside the box, including a 64 gigs microSD card. I mean, it's basically plug and play. So yeah, if you are thinking about upgrading your car with a proper dashcam, the G300H Plus is a really solid option. Great image quality, reliable day and night footage, and all the smart features you would actually use every day. Check it out using the links in the description and in the pinned comment down below. And now back to the Roundabout. That looks like another interesting Purosangue. Haha, yes sir! Oh! What a combo! Beautiful spec customer Purosangue and the Purosangue M prototype. That is so cool! Another Speciale! With a very simple black spec. Yes, I love tourist. Aston Martin from Romania. Interesting. How about a loud 296 Speciale Aperta? Hey, that's not bad at all. Now guess who's back? The really weird Purosangue with the red front bumper. And yellow calipers, of course. Sounds like a regular Purosangue to me. Oh guys, we managed to avoid it up until now, but here is the brand new Luce. Oh my god, in red it's even worse! So, very interestingly, we have a car going the wrong way, but also a great Testarossa. Let's go! Just Maranello things, guys. More tourists, Gran Turismo. With the golden details on Swiss plates, very well. Look at that, Verde Costiera Amalfi. Okay, finally, an interesting spec for the Speciale. With the number 80, and yes, it's now a combo with the Amalfi. Yo, she's back! Wow, with the tan interior! That's so beautiful! Okay, it's been a while since the last 12 cilindri. What do we have? Okay, silver one. Hey, I think I remember this 296 test mule. Or is it number 15? Yes, sir. That looks promising. Another 296 Speciale. This one had an interesting stripe at the center. Was it like matte black over the glossy black body? Alright. Red Amalfi? Yeah, very standard one. We've already seen this one today. Yeah, nothing really special at this point. So with that said, I think we are done, guys. I hope you had fun and enjoyed all the cars as much as I did. See you soon!